तो ये वीडियो बन रहा है टेक अवेज के लिए। अब आप ऐसे ऐसे टेक अवेज देखने वाले हो जो शायद आपने कहीं नहीं देखे होंगे। वी हैड अ मीटअप और हर मीटअप में हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा और उसमें जो जो टेक अवेज हैं आज आप देखने वाले हैं। स्टे ट्यून्ड।
Investment. If you're scared of investment, please be honest to yourself. Because there are many other, here we talk about a few areas, but there are many other areas. Maybe there's health, maybe there's fitness coaching. I don't know, many people need many things, but are you investing? No. Why? Because you don't believe in yourself. कि मैं फिटनेस करके मैं क्या कर लूँगा, मेरे से तो वैसे ही नहीं होता, पिछली बार 2 बार किया था, डाइट छूट गई. So we don't believe in ourselves. So then it's not that we not got the right fitness coach or the right voice coach or the right public speaking coach or the right international. Now there are many international business coaches who are helping you do business on Amazon and all overseas. So let me tell you one thing. If you stop investing on an every month basis, every month is Facebook ads. आपका वीडियो बनाया उसको पुश किया on the market with through Facebook ads or Google ads or YouTube ads. Or if you're not investing every single year, and I wanted to do this conversation here with you today about investment. And before that, I wanted to do everything for my coaches. So I've got 2 coaches who are my life coach. मुझे word अच्छा नहीं लगता because बहुत common हो गया. But I've got 2 coaches like that who will be finalized with, who are going to coach me for the next year. Nikhil is obviously helping me with my fitness. Then I've got one coach who's teaching me how to think. This is a new thing, how to think. When you're thinking, what not to think. So I've got a coach for that. So I've got 4 coaches and now I've got a chess coach with my daughter. So एक once a week, एक twice a week, एक once a month. So different chapters. So that's a lot of money. A lot of money is gone. I promise you, it is never easy. Okay, it's किसी के पास 5, 15, 50 जो भी कोई charge करता है, it is never easy. But the thing is, I have realized that I would be very fake and come here and tell you people about investment if I had not completed, signed up and sent my checks to my coaches. So I'm telling you people, whatever is lacking in life, don't take your money home. This is not, for most of you, it's not your age to take money home. घर बैठे हो, सब कुछ चल रहा है, एसी है, खाना पीना चल रहा है. अभी सेविंग किस चीज़ के लिए आपने करनी है? Because you're feeling, मेरा दोस्त आगे निकल गया, मेरा कजन आगे निकल गया, वो निकल गया, इतने पैसे होने चाहिए. But वो तब होंगे if you constantly repair yourself. And then one day, when will I make money? I don't know. But at least start working on yourself. So we are working on some projects. What are the other projects you know? Which are the projects you want to work on? Maybe you want to learn from Daljit Dosanjh academy if he has an academy. Maybe you're like, oh yaar, उसमें पैसे होंगे. So maybe that's your next step. You know, maybe for every single person, if you don't exercise, you know that you're not playing the game. Without exercising, you cannot play the game. So we are awake 12, 14 hours, but we're not playing the game. So the third point I wanted to make was take investment very seriously. Next was people don't have money. Please don't tell yourself that. People have lots of money. When you don't have money, you feel people don't have money. जब भी हम ये कहते हैं ना मार्केट में पैसे नहीं है, उस टाइम अपनी जेब देख लो. आपकी जेब में प्रॉब्लम है, मार्केट में कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. There are enough people who are doing well. So don't tell yourself people don't have money. COVID or no COVID. In fact, if another COVID comes, it will be another big opportunity to make money in every single field. Hotels बंद हो गए, ये बंद हो गए, doesn't matter. People have done lots. So this is also a fact. This is a very big. See, all these things are holding you back. So don't let these things hold you back. That's why I wanted to bring this up. Story ideas. आप लोगों ने बोला story ideas. Everybody wants their videos to go viral. उस दिन मैं और निखिल सुबह बात कर रहे थे कि one of the highest searched topics on YouTube was क्या था निखिल? गोलगप्पे.
दिल्ली में सबसे बढ़िया गोलगप्पे कहाँ मिलेंगे?
ठीक है. So we had a good laugh on that कि टॉपिक कैसे, और एक और टॉपिक था डॉग्स के ऊपर.
सर एक और how to boil water.
How to boil water, right? So now
10 million views to that.
ठीक है, okay. Now the thing is, now 2 stories. ये मार्केट में हो रहा है. सबसे पहले हम लोग सब ऐसे हाँ गोलगप्पे क्या, बट वो हम मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज हैं. क्या उसमें से मेरे को कुछ मिल सकता है? या मैं बोलूँ नहीं, हम तो गोलगप्पे करते नहीं है तो हमारा चैनल तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. बात खत्म. एंड ऑफ स्टोरी. लेट्स गो होम. बट दैट गाय इज गोइंग टू बिकम अ मिलियनेयर सेलिंग गोलगप्पास. तो हाउ शुड वी टेक अ शेयर ऑफ दैट? कैसे आप अपनी स्टोरी को चेंज करोगे उस टॉपिक को यूज करके? उसी की ऑडियंस के पास जाओ, वैसी वीडियो बनाओ और घूम के बताओ कि पारुल से इंग्लिश कैसे सीखती है. हाँ जी.
हैप्पीनेस. सो आई एम द माइंडसेट एंड हैप्पीनेस क्यूरेटर. सो अगर लाइफ में खुशी चाहिए तो जाके गोलगप्पे खाओ. उससे पहले गोलगप्पे कैसे बनाने हैं वो जान जाओ. Anything of those.
Sure.
That's all.
Fantastic.
सर गोलगप्पे.
How to boil water के साथ अपने बिजनेस को जोड़ो. That there is a place where there are millions of views happening. Why can't you go and get a few thousand जिसमें से 10 query आएगी? Your business for the whole quarter is done. What are we waiting for? So what I'm trying to say is that there is, it's not कि उस इंडस्ट्री में है, So I'm telling you about the lies that we tell ourselves. ये हम अपने आप को झूठ बोलते हैं यार, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में तो व्यूज नहीं है ना एक्चुअली, देखो तो इसलिए तो मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ, तो अब आप लोगों ने देख लिया, उसके व्यूज आप अपनी इंडस्ट्री में ला सकते हो. So that is a lie we should not tell ourselves. There's enough story ideas over there. And also one more thing Nikhil and I were discussing was that people are liking vlogging more instead of saying hi my name is Avi, यार बैठ के वो देख रहे हो कुछ चल नहीं रहा. Movement people like. अच्छा आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, दरवाजा खोल के देखिए, मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं होता नहीं कहाँ ले जा रहे होते लोग, but people want to see other people's life. That's my big boss, हाँ.
रिलेटेबल लगता है वो.
हाँ कि कहाँ जा रहा है, क्या करने वाला है यार, एंड में चाहे आप कुछ भी बोलो, बट वो अब देखिए उसने वो खोला बर्गर, इसके अंदर I don't know what people watch, but people watch. So a point I wanted to tell all of you people was, why is it that video is not the best investment? जब हम नहीं बनाते, because आपने एक बार बना दिया, so always going to be there on the internet. What is that one thing? Not even you, but your videos are always going to be there. इस बात की गारंटी है कि हम हमेशा नहीं होंगे, हमारे वीडियोस हमेशा होंगे. तो उससे बेटर ROI किस चीज का हो सकता है कि एक बार हो गया, पूरी जिंदगी उसमें से वो आएगा. So the only thing that's stopping you is our own discipline. Alers, whatever you call it, it's not के वीडियोस पे विश्वास नहीं है. वीडियोस पे कैसे विश्वास नहीं हो सकता?
So till date I'm getting leads from 2 years.
2 years back, right? So आप उस वीडियो को मान लीजिए आपने वो that was your video number 30. So आप उसका नाम रखिए, कोई भी नाम. Video number 30 is your name, like agent number 30. That's your salesperson. He's getting your sales. You're sleeping. You're not even paying him salary or anything. Why is everybody not doing it? Invest you have to invest a percentage of whatever money you're making back into your videos every month. If you're not spending 5,000-10,000 rupees every month, minimum, depending on how much you're earning. If you people are giving some big figures, then you should be spending much more. Because you have to, as entrepreneurs, we have to build the road for the future. हम जिस road पे चल रहे हैं, उस road के आगे बना नहीं हुआ हो. You're not on somebody else's highway. If you're on somebody else's highway, you're doing a very good job. Somebody's created a highway, you're cruising. But if you're an entrepreneur, you're creating your own path. Nobody's created your own path. You have to do it. So if you're not reinvesting back, मेरे पास तो कुछ है नहीं, वो तो मेरे को अपने लिए रखना था, वो ये करना था. Do not take any money back from your business. It's not yours. Doesn't matter if you're running your business, you must only still take a salary if you can afford it. अगर घर चल रहा है, मॉम डैड के साथ रह रहे हो तो अच्छा है, नहीं है तो मॉम डैड के साथ शिफ्ट हो जाओ, but take care of the business first. Okay, you have to take care of the business because you cannot take it back. It's like saying I'm going to have a kid and I'm going to have the kid's milk and the kid's Farex and the kid will be malnutrition. And no mother or father would do that to their child, right? But we do it to our business every day. कि हम उसी में से, अब दिवाली है, इसमें से कोई अपने लिए दे देते हैं. Where is the reinvestment? If there's no reinvestment, it is on its verge of being malnutritioned and it's going to die very soon. Say one of the biggest currencies in the world is attention. तो attention लेने के लिए वो चाय देखना चाहता है, तो चाय से उसकी attention से तो बात शुरू करो. Then you take him back to where you want to. Okay, the next thing I wanted to say, this was investing. Next was branding focus versus sales focus. Lot of people in your conversation have been saying मैं वीडियो बनाता हूँ, मैंने ये किया, मेरी वेबसाइट बन रही है, ये सब चीजें जरूरी है. बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज इफ योर सेल्स आर नॉट हैपनिंग और आप कह रहे हो कि मैं पूरे दिन बिजी हूँ क्योंकि आप एक ब्रांडिंग एक्सरसाइज पे काम कर रहे हो, तो वन डे वो वेबसाइट के पूरे पैसे भी नहीं दे पाओगे, आप बना ही नहीं पाओगे. बट द थिंग इज वी ऑलवेज लाइक टू डू दिस बिकॉज हमको डर लगता है क्योंकि ये तो बन जाएगी, खत्म हो जाएगा, सेल्स नहीं होगी तो क्या होगा, तो सेल्स से भागो, वो काम करो जो आराम से हो जाएगा. और हम कहते हैं हमारे यस इट्स पार्ट ऑफ, क्या ये बिजनेस नहीं है, क्या मैं बिजनेस नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ऑफ कोर्स कर रहे हो, बट दिस बिजनेस इज नॉट गोइंग टू रन योर बिजनेस द नेक्स्ट मंथ. तो इफ only thing that can run your business next month is sales. So if you're not doing sales, it's like स्कूल में जब मैथ्स अच्छा नहीं लगता था, बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स कर देते थे जिसमें कभी भी 60 से 80 90 से ज्यादा नहीं आ सकते, मैथ्स में 100 आ सकते हैं, उसको छोड़ दो and then try to think I'm going to get 90%. It's not going to happen. We are fooling ourselves. Right? So that is one the myth. So आपको वो नहीं करना चाहिए. Branding focus versus sales focus. Always it should be sales. Like all of you people, ask yourself today, how many people did you call today for sales? If you did not call people, you didn't do any sales today. And that means because आज जो करोगे एक हफ्ते एक महीने बाद आएगा. So the road for the future will one day not be there. So be careful about that. Adding video value. This is one topic I wanted to discuss. Once you understand, जैसे देवेंद्र ने बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया, that उनकी एक छोटी सी माइक्रो नीश है. आप लोग में से 99% लोगों को पता नहीं है कि वो जो बिजनेस कर रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट के लिए कर रहे हैं, इट्स अ वेरी सिलेक्ट प्रोडक्ट. बट ही वेंट ऑन Quora and he saw that 1.8K people are interested in what they're talking about. That's a lot. Maybe आपका जो टर्नओवर है उस हिसाब से आपको 1 या 2 लीड चाहिए and you're done for the whole year.
One water park gives us a profit of 5 crore.
So that's so 1.8 उधर गए आप Quora पे, Quora में उन्होंने देखा 1.8, उसी का आंसर जब वो दिया माइक्रो नीश में, that's it. So now he doesn't need to create videos like you because आपका is volume based, आप में से काफी लोगों का volume. He needs to create 2-3 amazing videos for that 1.8k people who are asking about a water park, and he wants 2 water parks a year. That's it. So उनको 4 वीडियो बनाने. He wants to make sure that English, Hindi, Gujarati, Tamil, Marathi, हर लैंग्वेज में कोई वाटर पार्क कर रहा है तो उनका वीडियो आना चाहिए. Maximum 10 videos and he is done and set for life. Business is done. Right? So, do you have a micro niche in your this thing? Go to Quora and see are people looking for people to teach. If there are, then what are they searching for? उसके आप 3 वीडियो बना के उसका आंसर दो. हाँ जी. I tell all of you people, the thing is, do not rely on common sense. Because the market is changing every day. आज 24 घंटे में जो मार्केट में जो न्यूज आई है ऑफ द कोविड एंड ऑल, हम में से आधे लोगों को पता नहीं, बिकॉज हम लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे थे आज सब, राइट. बट अंकुर केम इन सेड 5 कॉन्टिनेंट बंद हो गए, कल सुबह पता लग जाएगा क्या. तो आज आदमी गिफ्टिंग कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा, क्या बात कर रहा है, आई डोंट नो. सो गो ऑनलाइन. व्हेन यू गो टू यूट्यूब, सबसे पहले यू put a question, it has 10 other questions. You go to Google Keyword Planner, you go to SpyFu, see what other people are doing. Only third-party tool research will tell you what is happening right now at this hour on this day.
News notifications.
So and then pick up the top 10 questions and answer them. Those are the problems. I don't think we should, because if you rely on your own experience, you'll miss out on the biggest opportunity which is happening right now. Next thing that I wanted to say was before, and now after that, I've got 2 pages of notes I wanted to share. I've done one. We go back to introduction and we come to the second page. The last point I wanted to say was, कोई भी नया कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू में मुश्किल होता है, बट इसके बिना आगे बढ़ना बहुत मुश्किल है, जो मैं आपको अभी बताने वाला हूँ. All of you people, in whatever you're doing in life, you have to try to be 60 days ahead. Which means your 60-day calendar should be ready today. On work, on exercise, on where you're going, who you're meeting. And then a lot of people say, ये तो फिर तो मेरी freedom कहाँ गई? आप freedom वो है कि you have the option to cancel everything in the calendar. That's
Honestly,
the freedom.
this is very tough.
And this is what actually I wanted to ask. I mean, this is
We really want to do, but it's very tough.
No, it's every. मैंने शुरुआत ही उसी बात से करी कि जो मैं आपको कहने वाला हूँ, it is tough and it's not done. But after that, I'm telling you what are the things that I've learned and what is working for me. Everything Agrim knows, we try to put 60 days ahead. Now we are working with different partners in different parts of the world. कल रात को वो कॉल किसके where was that guy?
Archie.
हाँ.
A small country near Greece.
Near Greece. Now there are people who we're working with in different parts who are our partners in different things. उनके साथ बात करके हम 2 महीने आगे के प्लान बना रहे हैं कि हर ट्यूसडे आपके साथ बात होगी इस टॉपिक. You cannot not plan. सरकार भी पंचवर्षीय योजना बनाती है and it makes everything. अब वो कितनी चलती है कितनी नहीं चलती, दैट्स डिफरेंट. और हम बोलते हैं, जैसे हम रास्ते में बात कर रहे थे, एक छोटा सा बिजनेस संभालना मुश्किल होता है, बिकॉज छोटे से बिजनेस में हम सिस्टम नहीं डालते. You cannot, and it's very difficult. Agrim knows it's difficult. सारे लोगों को लाना, because people hate systems. So somebody has to say कि boss ये तो sacrosanct है, इसके बिना तो नहीं चलेगा, इसके ये तो हुई. Can you walk into गुरुद्वारा with shoes? Why? There's a rule, right? There's a rule for everything. ऐसे नहीं यार, हाँ बोलो यार कोई बात नहीं यार, आज आप थके हो यार, जूते लेके आ जाओ. Is that allowed? No. So people 10 लोग आ जाएंगे आपको रोकने के लिए, सर कहाँ जा रहे हैं? There are certain things which are not to be allowed. That is, plan your next week. You have to plan every single minute, which also means if you say 1 से 2 बजे मुझे कुछ नहीं करना, दोपहर को सोना है, that's your planning. But वो तो डालो, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना, वो भी तो एक प्लान है. But you have to put it. So if all of you people have been part of the community for a while, if your calendars are not set for 60 days ahead, you are always going to get confused. Now I'll tell you one very important thing which becomes a very big danger for businesses. Fortunately or unfortunately, we all have a very real thing in all of us, which is called emotions. And हम उसको बहुत seriously ले लेते हैं कभी-कभी. Sometimes they are real, sometimes they are not. Some people say right cerebral brain, some people say वो पहले इंसान टाइगर से लड़ता था इसलिए वो थे. I don't know. But what I know is sometimes emotions are not real. Stress, anxiety, whatever. किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, आप घर से निकल रहे हो, आपके फैमिली मेंबर ने कुछ बोल दिया, आपके दोस्त, somebody said something about the way you look, the way you feel, खत्म. उस दिन आप ऑफिस जाके क्या करते हो? कुछ भी नहीं करते. We all know it. We all go through those days. All those days are adding up. How's your 2022? How much revenue did you make? Then again the blame comes to what? COVID था यार. मेरा तो डिसिप्लिन में गया नहीं, अपने कैलेंडर में गया नहीं. सो इफ यू डोंट हैव अ कैलेंडर, आई प्रॉमिस यू, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट टू द लेवल दैट यू कैन. व्हाटएवर योर पोटेंशियल इज, यू प्लेइंग ऑन अ वेरी डिफरेंट विकेट. एंड कैलेंडर 60 days ahead. Now, before I finish this topic, the first thing I want you to start with in your calendars is what you love to do. Because otherwise people hate doing calendar. Oh shit. Put things that you love to do. सबसे पहले put your time with your family, then you put your gym time, put your music time, और पहले उससे भर दो. फिर जो बचेगा उसमें आप थोड़ा काम भी डाल देना. Automatically आपको आदत होनी शुरू हो जाएगी कि यार I love the calendar. I love the calendar. It's because your calendar, right?